I want to take a moment to thank you. Thank you for choosing to spend this time with me today. Thank you for showing up yourself, for your healing, and for your inner peace. Now let's begin with a gentle breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale softly through your mouth. Repeat 3 times. You could be anywhere right now, doing anything, but you choose to be here. And that choice alone is a sign of strength, courage, and self-love. You are not alone. And this meditation is a safe space created just for you to release heaviness, to ease anxiety, and to reconnect with your inner life. Welcome to Atma Deepam Inner Life. Find a comfortable position now. You may sit with your back supported or lie down and let your body fully relax. Let your shoulders drop. Soften your jaw. Relax your stomach. And gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in. Inhale 4 seconds. Hold 2 seconds. And exhale very slowly 6 seconds. Again inhale calm. Hold. Exhale tension. With each breath, allow your mind to settle a little more. Allow your heart to soften. And allow your body to feel safe. Breathing in peace. Breathing out everything heavy. Repeat these rhythms for the next 3 breaths. Now allow this light to flow gently into your chest. Feel it surrounding your heart, easing your old wounds dissolving emotional heaviness. Let it move into your stomach, your spine, your lower back, your hips, down through your thighs, your knees, your calves, all the way to your feet. You are glowing from within. You are being healed from the inside out. In this moment, you don't need to fight your thoughts. You don't need to fix anything. Just breathe and allow everything to be as it is. Imagine your thoughts as soft clouds in the sky. They appear, they float, they drift away. If a heavy thought arises, whisper softly, I release you. I let you go. I choose peace. Feel your mind becoming lighter. Your heart feeling spacious. Your inner would becoming calm and quiet. Repeat the following slowly, allowing each one now to settle deeply. I am safe. I am healing. I am loved. I am not my thoughts. I am stronger than I realize. My inner light guides me. I deserve peace. I deserve happiness. I deserve rest. I am becoming better every single day. Feel these words filling your heart with warmth, courage, and hope. Allow yourselves to rest in this peaceful state. Let your breath be slow, natural, effortless. There is nothing to do, nothing to achieve, nowhere to be. This moment belongs only to you. Feel the calmness spreading within you. Feel the softness in your heart. Feel the strength in your spirit. You are becoming whole, balanced, peaceful. Now gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. Slowly become aware of your surroundings. The ground beneath you, the sounds around you, the comfort of your body resting peacefully. Wiggle your fingers, move your shoulders a little, and take one deep cleansing breath in and out. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. Thank you for choosing healing, peace, and inner strength. If this meditation brought you comfort, please like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who may need a little light today. You are always welcome here to Atma Deepam Inner Light. Your inner light is always shining.